MSTY is falling. Now you have two options. Either you can sell it or you can invest and generate more than $10,000 a month. In today's video, I'm going to show you real data to make your process and your decision very easy. But first, let me keep you updated. Yieldmax MSTR option income strategy MSTY has fallen. Today, the price is at 1785, and within the today's range, it went down all the way to 1757. So if you bought at 57 and it went to 85, that's almost at 30 cents. You would have made a lot of money. Average volume today wasn't that crazy high. It was about 7.5 million. But if we look at the average, has declined. Right now is only about 11 million. At one point, a few months ago, MSTY volume was very high, but now I think what has replaced this is Ulti in terms of trading volume. So I don't know about you, man. At $17.85, that's still a good price. And after hours, it seems to be going down. So tomorrow it might keep going down or it might go up. It will all depend on how crypto market is trending for tomorrow, and obviously MSTR, which is underlying stock. Well, now you might say MSTR has gone down massively and we are losing a lot of money. But if we look at this data, check here. Right now, our market cap is 7.73 billion. So a lot of people have invested in this ETF. Total return since inception, which is about 1 year and a half, has returned 262%. This is with a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, meaning you are buying those shares back as soon as you're receiving all this distribution at whatever price is going to be. But total return with no DRIP, meaning if you are just receiving the distribution and you are either calculating those return without having to reinvest back to the share price, then your total return right now is at around 177. Share price itself is down about 15%. So this share price, meaning if you look at the chart, you will see MSTY has come down from where it was at $20 to now at 17 or close to 18. Dividend increase. This is a metric to show how much they've increased their distribution from the first time they paid. We know MSTY has been paying lower and lower and lower. That's why you can see here is negative 71%. The distribution they've been paying previously, they were a little bit higher. And the last distribution, they only pay $1.24. So that's a lower compared to the other distribution they paid in the past. And that's why this number is going to be negative. And even the next distribution they're going to pay, unfortunately, is going to be lower. So MSTY distribution seems to be going down. So I don't know, at one point it might come back, but we don't know when that's going to happen. But even if they pay $1.24 or $1.50, still higher distributions rate. I'm going to show you that number. If we look at official Yieldmax website, MSTY, Yieldmax MSTR option income strategy, distribution rate right now is around 86%. Total return since inception, 318. I think this number is a little bit higher than the actual number because I only have about 280. So this is a little bit higher. This hasn't been updated. When you look at annualized return since inception, has returned 170% per year. That's insane return. Very, very impressive. And as I have mentioned before, they used to pay a little bit higher distribution. The first time they paid $4, and the last distribution they've been paying a little bit lower at 118, 124, 147, 133. So hopefully maybe in coming months they might increase, but the coming distribution will be around the same price. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to give you an estimate of upcoming distribution they're going to pay end of this month. And if you like this content, please smash the like button and don't forget to share with someone you think this video might help as well. When we look at the net asset as of now on the Yieldmax website, is at 521 billion. Still massive. That's a lot of money has been invested in this ETF. And as of now is the top Yieldmax ETFs in terms of asset under management. So should you sell MSTY now that is going down? I've shown you the data and I'm going to show you more data. If you look at MSTY price of today, 1735, with average distribution that they have paid since inception is $2.48. That's going to give you 172% huge distribution. That means if you invest your money today, you're going to almost double your money with just a distribution. And obviously, if you bought at a lower price and the price goes up, that means you're going to have that price return plus your distributions. If we want to be a little bit conservative with our estimate, we're going with last distribution, which was $1.18. With the price of today, that's going to give you annual yield of 81.61, so about 82%. That's still a huge yield. So you can either go with average, which is going to give you 172 or 82%. Either yield, guys, is going to make you a lot of money. But of course, we want to see MSTY pays more and we want to get these higher distributions. But what I'm trying to say here, even if they pay 81%, that's still a higher distribution. So let's say you buy MSTY at $17 or $18 and it goes to 20, you're going to make a price return on your investment, plus you're going to receive a distribution. Even if it's 82%, that's going to be huge. And the last thing I want to show you here, with the price of today, if you invested $75,000, you're going to get 4,323 share. With our average distribution, you're going to make $10,000. And if you invested $100,000, you're going to get 5,764 share or 14,294 per month. That's a lot of money, guys. But again, guys, all these numbers on this spreadsheet is just an estimate based on the market price MSTY is today and average distribution they have been paying. There's no guarantee that investing in MSTY at current price will automatically make you this amount of money. This is just estimate, because in investing, there's no guarantees. And this video is just for your entertainment and educational. It's not meant as a financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. So I really appreciate you watching this video. Again, if you don't want to miss any of the update, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, so whenever I release a new video, you'll be able to receive a new update. And don't forget to smash the like button and also share with someone you think this video might help, so they can also generate a passive income. Thank you. I'll catch you next one. Bye bye.